So I'm going to make this dishes that goes along with the rice, mashed potatoes, and sandwich. So what I need is, because I got like 4 pounds in there, so I need this and that. One golden great pepperoni, pepperoncini. So because this is a 2 pounds, so I'm going to use 2 packets in each. And I'm gonna mix them all up and then pour them on the top of our beef. So if you only use 2 pounds of beef, you can use only 1 packet each. I would like to shout out to my white gold members on my channel: Jackie Cooleroz, Bayo Taco Pero Rakista, Dealing Life by Philline, Teamtabor channel, Jenny Laredi channel, Kabilog's World channel, English Teacher in France, Jenjai Life in Ireland, Sherlie and Joana Lane. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. So now I'm going to put these 2 ingredients on the top of my roast beef. That juice is not supposed to mix up there, so I'm going to use a fork to take my olive out. And then now I'm going to put the 2 ingredients, the pepperoncini and the green olives. And then I'm going to cover this one and put in a high heat. But if you're not in a hurry, just put them in a medium heat for 6 to 7 hours. But I'm going to put them on a high heat because I gotta work tomorrow and I don't want to leave the crock pot on all night. So after 3.5 hours, we'll see what it's look like. So the beef is look like it's still tough, so I'm going to cover this a little bit more. And this is what it's look like after 6.5 hours. The juice is really good. This is really good for mash and the rice. So I'm going to like break them apart, tear them apart, and I can use this on rice and mash and my sandwich. So this is good for family that Filipino and American live together. So the rest of them can have the mashed potatoes. I'm just showing you how to put this like that. Serve it with your family, your kids, and your husband. And then now for me, I had to put a rice on mine. This is really good with rice. The gravy is really good with rice. Promise, I'm so really not on a diet right now. Yummy. And then I'm going to make this sandwich for my kid, but I don't think so. But I'm going to eat this one because I want to try it with the bread. I haven't tried it with the bread yet. So I'll just put the mayonnaise. And then I have this cucumber. I had a pickled cucumber, but this is really good with fresh cucumber. I would rather use a fresh cucumber on this one, but I don't have one this time, so I kind of lay that on the top. I swear this is supposed to be with my kid, but I'm going to eat this one first. Now I'm going to turn that crock pot onto the warm. Whoever is ready to eat in the house, then they can just open the crock pot and make their own food. This is it. So yummy.